Hey everyone, Julio here and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how I make this autumn leaf with doodles. The supplies I've used in this case are a 260 grams sketch paper, a regular pencil, in this case it is a Faber-Castell B graphite pencil, an eraser, a fine liner with a plastic nib, in this case it is a 0.4. This time it will be very simple. I will start off by tracing the leaf and then filling it with random doodles. Personally, I love doodling. It's fun and you don't need fancy art supplies to create your own. In fact, many of my sketchbooks and notebooks have doodles everywhere. Many people use it as therapy, others use it as a way of expressing themselves. The fact is that doodling is fun. You don't have to plan them in advance. Sometimes you just draw whatever comes to your mind, and it can also be distressing. And this is the final result. If you have never done this, I recommend you to give it a try. And if you have any suggestions, leave it in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe. Thank you again and see you next time.